So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find furnished rentals here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to press on the rent icon or the rent tab, select your city, and then press on search. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top and press on filters, and then scroll down to where it says amenities. Now, if you're looking for a furnished unit, go ahead and make sure that furnished is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now, what you're going to be seeing are rental options that have furniture included in them. So, very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find furnished rentals here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.